Dear students, a hearty welcome to the last video of this year for 10th class. Last day we completed scene 1 of Act 4. And now what is left is a short scene, that is scene 2 of Act 4. Act 5 has been removed as part of the reduction of syllabus, so we need not study Act 5 of the Merchant of Venice this year. So this is very short scene, continuing from scene 1 of Act 4. We had seen how Portia had given a wonderful judgment, taking into consideration the appeal of everyone. Antonio has been wonderfully saved, and Shylock was given ample punishment. And when the court was about to be dismissed, the Duke asked Antonio to reward the lawyer sufficiently, because it was he who saved the life of Antonio. Then Bassanio offers 3,000 ducats to the lawyer, which Portia refuses. Later they force him. Antonio and Bassanio, they force her to accept a reward, a gift. And she says, I shall have no gift except the ring which is on the finger of Bassanio, which Bassanio refuses to give. So he gives lot of excuses. At the end he had to confess that, yes, it has been given by my wife, and I had made a promise that I shall not lose it, sell it, or give it to anyone. Therefore I cannot give it. So Portia says, in that case, I do not need anything. So she goes away. Later we find Antonio requests Bassanio, for my sake and for the great service the lawyer rendered, please give the ring to Portia, and your wife will not find fault with you. Then he sends Gratiano, run quickly and catch up with them and hand over the ring to Portia, and if possible get them for lunch, for a meal, to Antonio's house. That is where we stopped in scene 1 of Act 4. Now we shall look at the second scene, scene number 2, scene 2, Act 4. The scene is set in Venice itself. A street enter Portia and Nerissa disguised as before. So Portia and Nerissa are on their way. Portia, inquire the Jew's house out, give him this deed and let him sign it. We will away tonight and be a day before our husband's home. This deed will be welcome to Lorenzo. So what Portia is saying, that find out the Duke's, the house of Shylock. You remember that Shylock was supposed to sign a gift deed, that all his property, whatever he possesses at his death, will go to Lorenzo and Jessica, a gift deed. And he was so much tired, vexed, and he says, please send the deed to my home, I will sign it there. And the Duke agrees, provided that he signs. So that is the deed now given to Nerissa by Portia to go and get it signed. Inquire the Jew's house out, give him this deed and let him sign it. We will away tonight and be a day before our husband's home. This deed will be welcome to Lorenzo. So the signing of the deed The signing of the deed will be a welcome gesture to Lorenzo, because Lorenzo will be getting a right to all the properties of Shylock at his death. Graciano, enter Graciano. You remember Graciano has been sent by Bassanio. Now he has reached Graciano. Fair sir, you are well overeaten. My lord Bassanio, upon more advice, has sent you here this ring, and doth entreat your company at dinner. So now Graciano is delivering the message of Bassanio that he has sent him on upon more advice. Upon more advice means suggestions from Antonio. Bassanio has sent this ring to be given to you. And he entreats, he pleads you at the dinner. Your company is pleaded at the dinner. That is, Bassanio is inviting you to join him for a dinner in Antonio's house. Portia, that cannot be. His ring I do accept most thankfully. And so I pray you, tell him. So I pray you, I beg you to tell him that I accept his ring. Furthermore, I pray you, show my youth old Shylock's house. So Portia accepts the ring. Portia accepts the ring. Refuses to join the dinner. Ask Graciano to show the house of Shylock. So Portia accepts the ring because she wants to have the ring, and we will see what is the purpose of it. But she refuses to join Bassanio for the dinner, and he requests the help from Graciano to show the house of Shylock to her assistant, that is Nerissa. Graciano, that will I do. That will I do means that I will do. Nerissa, sir, I will speak with you. So Nerissa says, sir, I will speak with you. Then aside to Portia, only to Portia, without Graciano hearing, Nerissa tells Portia, I will see if I can get my husband's ring, which I did make him swear to keep forever. So Nerissa wants to get the ring of Graciano, which she had given to Graciano and made him to promise that he will not lose it, sell it, or give it to anybody. So that she is telling Portia without Graciano hearing. I will try to get it. Portia, aside to Nerissa. So she tells Nerissa, without Graciano hearing, between these two, Portia is telling Nerissa, thou mayest, I warrant. That is, thou mayest, I warrant means I assure you that you will be able to do so. I assure you that you will be able to get it. We shall have old swearing. Old swearing means a lot of swearing, that they did give the rings away to men. What will we say? We will say that they have given the rings away to men, not even to women, but to men. Because both people who came to the court as lawyer and clerk, they were men. But we will outface them and outswear them too. But we will outface them means we will oppose them, and outswear them means swear more loudly. We shall outface them, we will oppose them, and we will swear more forcefully, more loudly. That is, we will try to find fault with them, making lot of promises and swears. You had promised us not to do this, and you have done it. We will make fool of them. Aloud, now in the hearing of Gratiano, she says, away, make haste, thou knowest where I will tarry. Make haste, go quickly, go fast. Thou knowest where I will tarry. You know where I will be waiting. Nerissa, come, good sir, will you show me to this house? So, Nerissa asks Gratiano, come, good sir, will you show me to this house? That is, will you show me to this house means, will you show me to the house of Shylock? Exit. All of them exit. So this is a very, very short scene. The main thing is continuation of the first scene of Act 4. And here Nerissa also plans to get the ring from Gratiano. Why do they want to get, both of them want to get the rings? Because just to have some fun. Just to have a fun. This is a continuation of the ring episode, and it will come to the climax of it in next act, Act 5, wherein they have a lot of fun generated, speaking about the ring and blaming their husbands. So all the best for your exams. Exam that is just coming up, second terminal, and also for the pre-board exam and for the board exams. Prepare well and do well. All the best.